Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will make class 5th project fraction burn. First, you'll subscribe my channel and you'll like my channel. So without wasting time, we get started. I want a scrapbook, a white page, pen, I want a white page. Let's make a circle. Take one circle and fold it in half. And then cut it out. It's her body and its neck. And another part and fold it and also cut it out. I cut this and it's her feather. And this part is her tail. Let's make some more. Circle, half circle, and half circle. And fold again. Fold and also cut it out. Let's paint. All body is yellow in color. It has orange. It has red. This part is also red. And this part is dark green. It's ready. It's time to paste in this page. First, his body. Glue. And this neck. Glue. Glue time. Glue paster. Oh yes. Wow. It's almost ready. Ta-da! It's ready. One thing is missing. I write the factions and her eyes and legs. Let's make it. His legs. Oh, I make her legs. Oh, wow. And write the factions. Ta-da! I write this faction. See? I write all factions. Friends, I hope you like this channel and also subscribe this. See you